Hi, I'm David and I'm part of the Carolina Footwear Design and Development team. I'm here to talk to you today about our Circuit collection, brought to you by Carolina. These boots are built on an oil and slip-resisting rubber outsole that keep your feet planted where you put them. The Circuit collection is available with a composite toe cap for added safety as well as a non-safety toe option. Of course, these styles meet the ASTM standards for impact and compression and electrical hazard. The Circuit is built with a cement construction for increased flexibility and long-lasting durability. Manufactured with our 100% waterproof scuba liner membrane, these boots will make sure your feet stay dry through the workday. Both the 6-inch and 8-inch styles offered in our premium Bandit nutcase leather come equipped with 400 grams and 800 grams of thin slit insulation for those cold weather jobs. Best of all, the Circuit has a removable EVA footbed providing the ultimate comfort you need to do your best day after day. The Circuit's mission is to keep you dry, secure, and comfortable while on the job. That's the Carolina way, built for work.